I won the log on and we were chatting about how to make a brush from your logo yesterday to make it really super easy to add to your images instead of opening up a PNG file and dragging and dropping. So here's how you do it. You want to pull in your file. Generally, it should be a PNG file with a transparent background. So what we want to do though is we want to make this black. So we're going to duplicate our layer and then we're gonna click on the FX button here, and then we're gonna do color overlay. And then we're gonna grab black. If this is not black, you just hit this and then you can select your black. Okay, now that it's black, what we're gonna then do is go down up to edit and then define brush preset. And then this is our backdrop company. Okay, we'll hit OK. And then it creates a brush. So then what you want to do is as you're selecting your brush, you'll see that it's up here. Here's the one we just made. If you want to then stamp it, all you would have to do, let me merge these, is just, you could change the color, remember over on this side. You could add effects to it if you want to, but then you should be good to go. You could just go and grab your brush. You can grab your brush by going here, and these are all the different brushes I have, and you will see it either up here or you can move it here. And now you have a brush for your logo. That's it. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend.